Hi, I'm Scott from Transfer Express, and today we're going to talk about what you will get with your mini sample set from Transfer Express. The mini sample set is free and it comes with three important things. First, it comes with your price guide. In the price guide, you're going to see everything from pricing on screen print products to our digital products. We also have the black and white idea book. This is for you to give to your customer so your customer can see all of the designs that Transfer Express has to offer, pre-made and ready to customize. And last but not least, we have our product guide. In the product guide, you'll see detailed information on each of our transfer types, and you'll get a sample of the most popular transfers that we have to offer, from our goof proof to our CAD prints. To order this, simply go to transferexpress.com, hover over Transfers, and click on Marketing Tools. Scroll down from there and you'll find the mini sample set. And that's the mini sample set, free for you to order online. Happy pressing!